Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the HP Chromebook and plugging it into a charger. This prevents shutdown during setup. Once powered, choose your language and network, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, so the device can download updates and verify your Google account. Make sure you sign in with the Google account you intend to use, because apps and settings sync from that account. If you plan to use two-step verification, have your phone ready. This avoids a lockout and speeds the rest of the install. Once signed in, the Chromebook often runs a system update. Allow it to finish. This ensures security patches and driver support for HP hardware. Next, enable sync to restore bookmarks, extensions, and passwords. This is why signing into your primary Google account matters. Then go to Settings, set time zone, keyboard layout, and touchpad/tap preferences. Make choices about privacy features like diagnostics and location, because these control what data Google collects. Finish by installing apps you need. Android apps via Play Store and extensions from the Chrome Web Store. This customizes your workflow. Once done, create a recovery USB or enable PowerWash backup so you can restore factory settings if something fails. Make sure to set display brightness, update battery preferences, and pair Bluetooth devices now. If things go wrong, like Wi-Fi won't connect, restart the Chromebook, forget and rejoin the network, and only then perform a power wash. That resets everything without hardware repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.